In this video, I'm going to show you guys a really simple solution that I think is going to be really helpful in your garden projects. And this is a Birdie's raised steel garden bed. And recently we had a customer reach out, Joanne, shout out to her, who had a raised bed like this, maybe more than one, where she was working on some EMT conduit and maker pipe projects, building some trellises and whatnot like we see from the community. And she had an idea, which was mounting the EMT conduit to the raised garden bed easier than what we've talked about in the past. And in recent videos, we've talked about using like a small piece of PVC, some hardware, some one-hole straps, and securing EMT conduit to the frame that way. And it works pretty well, but it is just kind of a hack to put together. But this is a little bit more of a sleeker solution, as you can see, and it just fits in there. And the way this works is essentially just is a spacer that you can see there in the kind of divot of the raised garden bed, but it's the same kind of solution as before, where you just have a one-hole strap kind of securing the EMT conduit with just a bolt going through. And here you can see this is the 3D printed piece that we kind of made and worked on, and that fits inside of the bed slot really nicely, and pretty much just this curved piece that fits in there, and then it's flat on one side. And so the whole idea is just essentially making it where it pulls the conduit tight against the bed, which is how it is here. So essentially you'll be able to get these from us and then use them with your Birdie's beds, and you're just going to essentially just need a bolt, and you want to get about 1.25 inch bolt. I'm using one of our like longer 30mm metric bolts, but essentially just goes through the one-hole strap and then through the spacer, just like that. And then you just use the same hole that's already in the Birdie bed like that. Snap the one-hole strap around the EMT conduit, and then you'll just add the hardware to secure that in place here, and of course just tighten that up, and then that's how you secure it. It's pretty simple, pretty much the same assembly as it would be as if you're just using the standard hardware from Birdie's as it comes. Of course, you'll want to actually fully tighten this and not just do it by hand. But then you have that in place, and then you have a nice secure mount. You could replace all 5 of the bolts if you wanted to, and do 5 of these spacers if you wanted to be extra secure. And something else we've been talking about recently too is swapping out the one-hole straps with a hanger strap and doing it more of a flat mount that extends off a little bit. That's something else you could do with these, and pretty much you could come up with other ideas as well and just kind of take advantage of this flat profile that you can see kind of that aligns with the edge of the bed there. But it's a pretty cool idea from Joanne. Shout out to her for testing this out for us, and now we have these available on the website so you can pick them up and hopefully use them in your garden. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.